Hello and welcome back to St Modwen Homes' YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you around our 4-bed Barlow home, which is great if you're looking to upsize. Now let's take a look inside. Stepping into the home, we'll take you into our first room, which is a great example of an open plan living space. This includes a living room, a dining room and a kitchen with a breakfast bar. When it came to the design of the living room, we've opted for a contrasting colour palette. As you can see here, we've got dark blue sofas and dark blue wall prints, complemented with a brown suede chair and a grey textured rug. We've also decided to pair this with a pattern texture wallpaper and a feature wall panel. You'll also notice there's a window at the front of the home and the side of the home, which helps the room feel really bright and airy. We've also incorporated 2 sofas and an armchair, which shows there's room for multiple guests and if you've got your family over. Now we head to the other side of the room, which includes our really spacious dining area. As this room is so generous in its size, we've decided to include a large dining table, which is perfect for accommodating the whole family or if you want to have a large group of friends over. Something I'd also like to highlight is the bifold doors which lead out into the garden. This is a great feature, particularly for the summer months, where you can open them out and enjoy indoor-outdoor living. The final part to our open plan living space is the kitchen, which includes a breakfast bar. This is a great addition to have as it allows you to cook a meal, but also keep an eye on the children whilst they do their homework. Let's not forget the separate laundry room, which is just through here. This is really handy to have in your home as it helps store your laundry and keep your home nice and neat and clutter-free. Next, we come into the hallway. This includes a downstairs WC, which is convenient for having guests over, as well as some additional storage found under the stairs, which you may like to use for shoes, bags or coats. And finally, I'll take you into the last room on this floor, which is our downstairs study. What I like about this room is that it's tucked away and allows you to get on with some work, but equally you're not too far away from the rest of the home. It also has a large window which helps promote natural light and help boost productivity when it comes to working. Now let's go upstairs. Let's take you into the first room on this floor, which is our main bedroom. This is a really generously sized space, which we've decorated with a blue colour scheme, statement headboard and styled with pendant bedside lights, which really adds character to this room. One of my favourite parts of this room is the ensuite. It feels really spacious in here and gives that extra element of luxury, which is really great for when you come home after a long day. In addition to the ensuite, this room benefits from a walk-in wardrobe. This is a guarantee to keep your clothes neat, tidy and out of the way. And before we leave this room, I just wanted to highlight the statement floor-to-ceiling window at the front of the home, which floods the room with natural light. Next, we'll go into the second bedroom on this floor. Whilst we've decided to dress this as a guest bedroom, it's completely up to you how you choose to style it. Whether that's as an art studio, a study or a home gym, the choice is yours. Then we head into the third bedroom. This space is really big and has plenty of room for a double bed as well as a desk, which we've included over there. Additionally, there's a built-in wardrobe which helps keep your room nice and clutter-free. Now it's time to take a look inside our family bathroom. In here we have both a shower and a bath, giving you the option to use both. A shower is great for those days when you need to dash out the door, and a bath's ideal for when you want to relax and unwind after a long day. With the design of the bathroom, we've chosen full-length rough marble tiling with dark grey flooring. But if that's not to your taste, you can change it up to our range of options and upgrades products. Then we move into the fourth and final bedroom. The design has been incorporated for a small child, but if that's not really to your taste, you can change it up to suit your lifestyle. Thanks for watching the house tour of our 4-bed Barlow home. For any further information on this property, check out the link in our description below.